Yeah, guys, what's up? A quick review on gold. Today is Tuesday, 2nd of March 2021. Hmm. All right, a quick look is the H4 time frame, and we have been able to identify the reason for which we are having a sell rejection at that point, and in confluence with our gap, which was being created, I think, on Sunday. So, looking at this level right there. So that gap was being created on Sunday, and normally, if you are a fan of gaps, you realize that gaps, when they are being created, they act as support or resistance depending on the direction of the market. So currently, price broke through that support and resistance level, as you can see. When this candle was dropping, was selling, they had a rejection right at that point. So my scalpers friends, they could have taken advantage of that rejection uh, because of this gap, which acted as a support at that point in time. So now, fast forwarding it, it's now a resistance. So you can see that is where price got rejected and in confluence with our trend line. So that is how come, or those are the things we are tying to the aggressive rejection we had at that price level being 1735 area. And if you step down to taking everything H1, so you can see some of the levels we have plotted. This a demand zone which was being created this morning, and this is during the London session, and we happen to have taken this buy because of this trap which was created by this sell candle. The next candle closed bullish, forming an accumulation on the H1, which we go lower. You can see how nice that accumulation took place, which this is it. It had a bullish trend, a corrective phase, which acted as a higher low. So what else were we expecting aside from a higher high? That's on the AM30. So back to H1. So this is the zone we have drawn, plotted based on what I've just explained. So price hit our targets, and you can see right here on this H1, this zone is right there to be referenced on the H1 time frame. So now we have two zones to take a look at: the immediate zone, which is demand zone. Price has already rejected it, and right now our expectation is price to go bullish. We're expecting price to go bullish from that point, but there is something we are keeping our eyes on, which is this resistance. So we are expecting price to break through the resistance, retest it, and further rally. These are expectation on gold, pending the structure that market has uh, presented to us. Look at this. So if we term this to be an uptrend, so we have a corrective move. So what we should be expecting is a bullish continuation. So you do not just enter the a bullish trade or a buying trade without having a point with which market is giving you some form of indications of continuing bullish. So with that being said, we are expecting some bullish continuation of this zone of this zone. So if this price closes bullish, anything bullish above this area, then we should be good to go for a buy. So guys, this is about it on gold. I think the next thing we might be looking at is probably having a good entry setup which is going to be in confluence with the direction. Of course, we have a rejection already, so all we're looking for is just an entry setup, either a railroad, a rejection candle, a tweezer, and we are good to go. All right, before that, let me just pull a fib and see. So you can see price rejected at the 50% retracement level, and it is yet to touch the 23. It has touched the 38.2, 23.6 is yet to be tapped into, which is apparently aligns with our zone. So if price bounces up here, it gives us a strong confirmation of a bullish continuation. Be it as it may, our bias for this for gold to go bullish is still intact, and we will be patient enough to wait for our setup and price to hit our zones, and we'll pick it up from there. So please, guys, this is about it for gold. If you find value in this video, you have any question, if you like it, the video, please share the video and don't forget to comment. Thank you, guys. See you at the winning side.